So greetings from London. This is the London I left behind, and it was colder than Moscow. So it's much warmer here, and I welcome that. I am going to be talking to you this morning for 90 minutes, which is quite a long time, and I'm going to be talking about how you might manage a child who comes to see you in the dental surgery who has autism. Now, as you know, I am working with a translator over there, and I have been asked to speak a little bit more slowly than I usually do. But I do warn you that when I get excited, I do tend to speak quite quickly. So please forgive me. If I finish early, then there will be time for lots of questions. If I finish late, then your tummies will be rumbling. And again, I apologize for that. But please come and find me and ask questions at any time during the day. But I would like to start by asking you some questions. And I would like to ask you, first of all, to put your hands up if you have ever treated a child with autism. Wow. Okay, hands down. I would like you to now put your hands up if you know somebody socially or in your family who might be in the autistic spectrum. Wow. Okay. Thank you for telling me that. Autism is a condition that increasingly touches the lives of many people, many families. And so, for that reason, today, I'm going to be exploring your understanding, your knowledge, and your attitude to autism, not only as dental professionals, but also as members of society, because autism is a condition that is not going to go away. Quite the opposite. We are going to be seeing more and more of it. So, why am I talking to you about this? Well, let me give you a little bit of background. I teach behaviour management in paediatric dentistry to postgraduates at the Eastman Dental Hospital in London, and I've done that for a very long time. And these are neurotypical children, normal children, children who are not autistic. The other part of my job is in the community dental service in central London, and my role is clinical management of children with special needs. And the community dental service in the UK is a service for poor children and rich children. So I see children from a whole spectrum of socio-economic groups. And I realized in the late 1990s that there was a change in the nature of the children who were being referred to me, and I was seeing an increase in the number of children who had autism. And I realized I didn't really understand this autism business. And so I spoke to lots of parents, and I did a lot of reading, and I found out a bit more. And I realized that autistic children were not the same as the other children I was seeing with special needs. They were different. And they presented with a whole constellation of problems and issues that came together in autism. I went away again and read a lot and found out quite a bit, and the rest is history, as they say. And so for the last 10 years or so, 90% of my clinical caseload have been children who are in the autistic spectrum. So that's where I'm coming from. I realized there were a lot of problems, a lot of barriers that face the families of autistic children. I realized it